Okay, the...
Franklin traffic, Cherokee 11 Juliet on right downwind, runway 36, full stop Franklin. Oh, is that a parachute?
Yeah,
or a paraglider?
Yeah, it is.
What am I supposed to do about him? Did it say anything about which runway to land?
That's a good question.
I guess I just don't hit him. Do you guys see anybody else? I'm kind of freaked out now.
I'll watch for you.
There's somebody right in front of you.
But you're like over the runway. You're just gonna have to do a tight approach. I would cheat out left, and then.
Wow, that is so weird, dude.
You are pretty low, but.
Well, I'm only like 100 feet lower.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Like the runway's like 100 feet that way of us. You're really tight in, yeah.
Oh, okay, well, I guess I'll just extend, my bad. I was watching that retard, like...
Wait, which one do you want?
Activity in progress, Lodi Airport.
Alright, this is the crappiest pattern ever, but you know what? Suck it.
If we get on the ground, we get on the ground. A landing you walk away from is a good landing.
Yep. Oh yeah, we're chilling.
Are we anywhere near Grandma Loyalty's house?
I think that's a little more that direction. By a little more, I mean like 10 minutes of flying.
Lodi.
Okay, that didn't turn out to be like horrendous.
Look, he's coming back this way. You see him?
It looks like he's landing on the runway.
What the balls?
Franklin traffic, stationary 71 uniform is 6 miles out on a 45, right downwind for a 36.
Oh, he's turning.
Stop Franklin.
Franklin traffic, Cherokee 11 Juliet on a short final, runway 36, full stop Franklin. And Franklin traffic, there's paraglider activity over the windsock in Franklin.
All right, thank you.
Sorry you're witnessing this crappy approach. Alright, Owen, is all your GoPros turned on?
Yep.
As long as the landing's good. Do you know what's annoying though? It really is true that a good approach makes a good landing.
Well, but here's the thing with these planes, like look at how easy it is to just get down.
Yeah, but it makes it a lot easier.
Man, this does not look like a 3,000 foot runway, does it? It's a nice runway though.
Yeah, but it does look short.
The guy said he doesn't think there's a public road accessible to this address.
Alright.
That's not a haha,
That's a, you're gonna have to be walking. Beauty.
Crappy. I feel like my nose wheel touched.
Yeah.
Alright, this guy's like, wow, I hope Owen's real, not just playing me.
Yeah. I'm gonna like send a pin of my location or something.
On the runway. You'd be like, what the?
Meet me here.
He says he only says 2 entrances, one to the county jail and another to the sheriff's firing range.
Well, this guy must be retarded. Like, I'm sure it's not that hard. This is a straight up public airport.
And Franklin traffic, stationary 71 3 miles out, 45 right downwind for 36 Franklin.
Franklin traffic, Cherokee 11 Juliet is clear of 36 Franklin.
Oh yeah, he's kind of right. How do we get here, dude?
Franklin traffic, 754661 on final for runway 27, Franklin.
Yeah, because he's just overflying. Franklin traffic, Cherokee 11 Juliet is lining up for 36, will be a straight out departure, Franklin.
Franklin traffic, RV 666 Echo Papa, overhead at 1,500. Maneuvering south of the field for a teardrop, runway 27. I've got that other teardrop traffic in sight, Franklin.
Yeah, let's just get out of here. If you hit a bird, I'll kill you. And make your dad write me a check.
Alright, airspeed's coming alive. RPM's good.
Yep, plenty of time.
Franklin traffic, Cessna 54661 is clear of runway 27, Franklin.
Wow, it's kind of like whenever Rachel drives, I'm always just sitting in the passenger seat like, wow, I forgot what it's like to just be a passenger. I love it. I love not having to,
Franklin traffic, Cessna,
you know, do that much.
Charlie, entering downwind, left.
Yeah, once I get taken off, I normally do like a little forward down and then chill. Yeah. Then keep it right around 9. Wow, this is climbing crazy. Are you going 95? 90? Dang. That is lit.
I'll cut power right here. Oh, are you recording?
Yep, it's recording.
All right, we'll go 2 notch. Yeah, it clicks twice. That's the thing I missed the first time.
Yeah.
And I'll try to keep my heading.
That was the hardest thing for me when I was doing my check ride, is keeping the heading 10 degrees on the stalls. That was so hard.
Mom's gonna watch these.
Your RPMs are a little slow. I don't like it to get below 1,000. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't make it get slower than 1,000.
I wouldn't even like stall really.
Yeah.
Let's do some slow flight for a second, actually.
Yeah, go for it. Keep it like at
very slow.
I don't know. Do like 80 miles an hour. So you're gonna have to want to pull back to 1,500.
Franklin traffic, Cessna 54661.
All the way back to
downwind
15.
for runway 27.
Yeah, there you go.
I'll keep it at 2 notch, see if I can hold 36.
The heck was that?
Someone calling for help, probably.
I love turning steep like this, and this isn't even
This
35.
is nothing. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is sick.
Byron traffic, Cessna 459er, right downwind, runway 30, Byron.
We got a guy out here.
Oh, look at that red plane out there. Do you see it?
I don't. Do you
It's
have?
way low. I got him in sight.
Yeah, he should be. Oh yeah, I see. I got him.
It's red. Rachel and I
that's
saw him
cool.
when we were flying from Utah the other day.
Yeah. I'm gonna like go around this way. We go look up here, and then we'll like kind of spend like 2 more minutes and then go behind him.
30, Byron.
It's fun just flying up the fingers of the lake.
Dude, I like your Osmo action. It's kind of cracked, to be honest.
Did you figure out how to switch it to the front camera?
No.
Wow,
I'm pretty sure I know
Motors
how,
are
but
very touchy.
it is
Yeah.
a little weird.
Like the ball's like, whoa, whoa. Traffic 4 o'clock.
Where are we going now?
Hey, look, there's a Forest Hill
What?
Bridge, which means Auburn's like
You
up
know
there.
the camera's recording, so I'll make sure to keep
Oh,
that
there's
close.
Auburn. Auburn's in that bald spot up there.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not terribly
Your
far
neck
from
is a bald spot.
Yeah, this is the guy.
45 left downwind, 31.
All right, let's make our way back then.
The Draco.
Byron traffic, Cessna 459er,
Rick and Morty.
final
Rick,
30, Byron.
Rick and Morty. Rick.
Where are you going?
Rick and Morty.
Oh, doing a left
Rick and
360.
Rick and Morty. See, Russ, look. So,
That boat, look at that. That's so cool.
so obviously it is fuller, but look, it still has all that way to fill
Yeah,
up.
see, look, you can see all the trails where we off-road.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you take
Opposite.
dirt bikes or your car?
Car, you can't do dirt bikes.
Oh, but look, the launch is actually like launchable now.
Oh, yeah.
Like it's actually gonna.
Yeah, so we would like drive up the boat ramp.
Wow.
Yeah.
The launch is launchable, he says.
Yes, it is very launchable.
Kind of whip around this way. Karen Park's that way, so we kind of come that way and that way.
Nice.
We got a guy out that way. It's
How much
400.
time have we been flying? 25. So, sweet, so we'll make it on this gas tank all the way. Yeah, maybe 100 more. 16, 17's good.
Right there.
It'll slow down pretty good.
And take it out a little wider just because we're kind of hauling bones.
What the crap? Your Osmo battery is cracked.
You're correct.
I've done like 3 videos and still at 100%.
Well, you probably only videoed like a total of 2 minutes.
Oh yeah, the Draco landed.
Cameron Park traffic, Cherokee 641 with Juliet, turning left base. 3-1, Cameron.
I pull another notch.
Yeah, but don't be afraid to just, pull it up and get it there.
Okay.
I notice that you and Spencer always like seem to like pull it slow and it barely gets there and then it smacks down.
Well, I make sure I get
Look to your left. Look at that pink roof.
But,
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Make sure you're not too low.
Yeah. Well, I know.
I just keep it like right around 15, 16. You probably don't need to touch it that much more. A little less. Yeah, like literally 16. And then if you want, you could do a 3rd notch. I would probably do a 3rd notch because with these houses you want to be able to get over.
Yeah.
But also 2 notches is easy. Cameron Park traffic, Cherokee 1 with Juliet, final 3-1 Cameron.
Byron traffic,
Yeah, we're good.
459er.
Actually, I'm getting a little fast.
Right, crosswind 30,
I'm going to
Byron.
go 3 notches. Until we get down.
Yep.
Hour. Because I should be around like 90 right now, but I'm like 100.
That's okay because it's steep. It slows down really fast, You don't want the engine to really get below 1,000 RPMs.
Oh, really?
Yep. You know, the sweet spot is really about 1,200.
Like,
so.
you really don't ever pull it all the way back.
Yeah, just let it come down, bleed off, and then, you know, you got plenty. You got plenty. In fact, if you were, yeah, hold it off. Yep, just hold it. Yep, just hold it. Just hold it. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, better than yours.
Yeah, it was actually.
It was actually. His was terrible today. No offense.
Hey,
It was beautiful.
Hey, you're fired, Owen. Give me your GoPro. Sheesh, center line might not. No, I don't, yeah.
You're one to talk.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, he is one. I mean, no, he's not.
I'm going to rehire you just so I can fire you again.
What's it supposed to be, 1,200?
Yeah,
Or
1,200.
like just taxi idle?
Yep. And open up the window. That's like the first line. Oh, does that guy live here?
Us.
We gotta full send it. Get in. Get it before it closes.
Are you having some trouble there?
Cameron traffic, 641 Juliet, clear of 31 Cameron.